Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to manifest things. Now, I have a ton of notes in my phone, so I'll just go to that real quick. Basically, in this video, I'm just going to be giving you guys techniques and different ways to manifest things. I'm not really going to go over the law of attraction and what it is. I will link a really good video down below, so go watch it after this if you don't know what the law of attraction is. It explains it really well. It's by Luca Whitaker. I love her and her videos. They're so good. But this video is so good at explaining it. It was my favorite video for quite some time. I'm gonna just sum it up a little bit. So what is the law of attraction? Attracting things with your thoughts. The law of attraction is the belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. That was a quote. I don't know who it's from, so shout out to you. That was great. That is kind of a little bit of the law of attraction. There's so much more and it can go so much more in depth. So please go watch the video after this, but that just kind of sums it up. So I'm going to get into the techniques of how to manifest whatever you want into your life. Okay, so before I go into telling you how to manifest whatever you want, how to do all these things, I need you guys to understand something real quick. If you don't believe that what you're trying to manifest will come true, it will not come true. An example is like, oh, I want to have the best job ever. Like, I want to have so much fun at what I do, make so much money, and it's just the dream job, the best one I could have ever asked for. But then you're thinking, well, that's never gonna happen to me. Every job I've worked at is so boring. I hate it. I'm never gonna get a job I like, never gonna get a job that pays me enough. If you don't believe it to come true, it will not come true. You have to be like, I'm just gonna have so much fun at my new job. I'm gonna make so much money, just learn so many new things. If you truly do believe it, it will come true. So just keep that in mind. You need to believe all of these things will come true or they will not. So please, that's the main thing I need you to understand, because you can't do the rest of this if you don't have that down. Okay, so this first technique is probably one of my favorites. It's super cool, super easy, and does not require a lot of work or time. So this first technique is called the water technique. And basically, it's manifesting happiness, confidence, kindness, being outgoing. This one I feel like works a lot for personality. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab like a drink, a glass of water, whatever you want, and then you're gonna get a sticky note and write on that sticky note, happiness, kindness, I will be outgoing, I will be happy, whatever you want on that sticky note, and then put it on your water cup and then drink that water. This is telling the universe that you intend to be happy. It also reminds you like, hey, I need to be happy today. I want to be kind today. So yeah, it works, and like, why not do it? It's so simple, so quick. Just drink a glass of water in the morning and do it when you do that. Okay, so this next method is called the 3 × 33 method. So for this, you are going to want to write an affirmation 33 times for 3 days. An affirmation is like the thing you want. For example, you could write, my parents will get me sushi for dinner times 33, and then do that for 3 days. It could be like, I'm making so many new friends. I'm making so many new friends 33 times for 3 days. You're gonna start making friends real quick. So yeah, this one is just so cool. The only thing I don't like about it is writing something 33 times, which I have done before, is not fun. But you know what? It's worth it. Okay, so this next method is called the 3-6-9 method. I like this one because it's way quicker than the 33 × 3 method. Basically, you're going to write what you want 3 times, what the outcome will be 6 times, and how you will get it 9 times. For example, you want to date your crush, you want to manifest your crush into your life. You would write their name 3 times, so Bob, Bob, Bob. Then 6 times you would write, me and Bob will date, me and Bob will date 6 times. And then you can write how you want it to happen 9 times. So you could say, me and Bob will have all of our classes together next year, or Bob will ask me out. Whatever you want and however you want it to happen, that is what you write down. You could write $50 3 times, and then write, I will have $50 6 times, and you could say, I will find $50 on the street 9 times. It's just Like, I don't get why people don't want to try manifesting, because like, why not manifest small things like that? Like, who doesn't want $50? Okay, so this next method is called the vibration method. And basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to say, I am sending my vibrations to blank because, and then list 5 reasons why you're doing that or why you should have that thing. For example, you can say, I'm sending my vibrations to Hawaii because I have the money, my friends can go with me, we have a really cool place to stay already, I have free time, and I need a break to relax. These 5 extra things that you're listing after because, you don't have to necessarily have. Like, I'm sending my vibrations to Hawaii because I have the money. If you don't even have the money, you can still say that because you're manifesting the money into your life. You can say, I'm sending my vibrations to Hawaii because I have free tickets, even though you don't. I got a coupon to stay somewhere for free. And you could just name all these different things that don't even have to exist yet, but they will if you truly believe that it will happen. Okay, so the next technique is called a manifestation wheel. This is what a manifestation wheel looks like. I'm inserting a picture. So you're gonna draw this out, this manifestation wheel. So basically in the middle of the circle, you are going to write what you want to achieve, and then you can draw like 4 to 8 branches, however many you really want. In those branches, you're gonna write why it should happen. For example, say you're trying to manifest a person into your life. So in the middle of the circle, you'd probably write their name. So maybe I want to be friends with Sally, so I would write Sally in the middle. Or you'd write Sally and I are best friends. Sally or whatever you want. Okay, so since you have what you want in the middle of the circle, and the branches, you could put all the reasons why you and Sally are best friends, or why you should be. You could say, we have a lot of the same classes together in one, we have similar interests, we both do the same sport, and you could say we have mutual friends. And even if this isn't true, again, you can just manifest it to be true. That is how you use that. You could also put, maybe if you want to be better at your sport, even though yes, it does take practice, you have to put in the practice, but this may give you an extra boost. I'm really good at basketball. I've been practicing a lot. I listen to what the coach is saying. I have really good dribbling techniques, and I can shoot however many baskets in a row. Even if that isn't true, again, you can always manifest it to be true, but you will have to do the work for it to come a lot faster. Another manifesting technique is just to think about it before you go to bed, while you fall asleep, because then it is going into your subconscious mind, I think that's what it's called. Especially if you start to have dreams about what you're manifesting, you have really made an impact in what you want. I also read somewhere, if you tell people what you're manifesting, it messes with the universe, so it's a lot less likely to happen. So if you want to manifest something, just keep it to yourself, because if you tell people, their opinions actually impact what you are trying to manifest. And another technique that I learned is, for say you want a new car, you close your eyes and pretend you're driving the car, the sounds, what your tongue tastes like, just look at your hands, look at the outside world, everything, and then just think about that exact 15 seconds, and then it will happen. Maybe you're thinking about like looking at a plane for just like 10 seconds. But also, if you do come up with like these little scenarios in your head, you have to repeat it like the exact way that you did it the first time. So that's why you should make them short. If you repeat what you want and your little movies in your head, it's telling the universe exactly what you want, exactly how you want it done, and exactly the way you should have it. So that is my tip for you. Okay, I forgot what I was on. Sorry, I had to like erase, oh yeah, I was on the outro because I had to erase my clips. Okay guys, so that was my manifesting video. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys try these out and all your manifestations come true. I hope you guys are gonna try some new techniques out, because these will most likely work. You just have to have faith in yourself, so remember that. But yeah, that's it. Peace out. Have a great day. Yeah.
Did you know they're swimming?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see your top. That is super cute. I think I need to borrow it.
Mm-hmm. It is.
I returned all that stuff. Then I got a different pair of red pants. What are you doing?
I'll put it in the end of the video.